When it comes to a population increasing and decreasing, many factors can influence the behavior of the population. Such factors include push and pull factors, mass migration, and an increase in births and deaths. As for the population in Texas, the factors that play into the state's increase and decrease in population are immigration and the natural increase in population, which is births minus deaths. The major factor for Texas is immigration. From 1970 to 1990, an estimated 1.5 million people moved to Texas, with 60% of these people being from Mexico, though this percentage would be much higher if undocumented immigrants were included in the official census. Aside from Mexican immigrants, another 16% of immigrants to Texas in this time period were from Asia. Around 1980, Mexico was no longer the dominant country in immigration to Texas. European and Asian countries became the dominant source of Texas migrants, with 25% increase from Europe and a 550% increase from Asia. The state experienced a rise in the population and will continue to do so, with probably very little possibilities for a decrease in population, since some illegal immigrants are able to gain citizenship before being deported, resulting in the number of illegal immigrants becoming citizens being higher than the number of illegal immigrants being deported. Immigration will continue to rise over the years, with the population becoming an estimated 27 million by the year 2020, which is a 60% increase compared to the population in 1970, which was 11 million. Now, as far as natural births go, the amount of growth in population is smaller compared to immigration. However, when combined with immigration, the 35% increase from immigration alone is now bumped up to a 40% increase, since these migrants are having from 2 to 8 kids who will contribute to the census upon being born. These two factors alone will continue to cause the increase of the population in Texas. As for the sources provided in this project, several factors that can influence the population of Texas from immigration as a whole, immigration pertaining to certain groups, and natural births were covered, which the formulas created from my tables and charts were able to address easily. However, these formulas are geared towards creating larger numbers to estimate the future population. The formula itself may not be able to take into account any discrepancies in the population. Say if during several years the population suddenly dives, then increases during other years. Populations tend to decrease from time to time. Even if this decrease is significant, the formula I created is not able to take the factor of a lower population into account, since it is being used to estimate the population growth and to see how much the population has grown from year to year.